Hey guys, it's Erika. We're gonna be checking out Nature. Oopsie, my bad. I'm really excited for this. I really like Nature and the stuff they do. They do like the cuter stuff, but you know what they know what they doing. And so I'm just really excited to see this comeback. What it's gonna the sound, comeback, concept, everything about it. So you know, would it let go? I have no idea what to expect. Nature's Adventures. I like the color palette. The pinks and the purples and the turquoises and the salmons. The greens is pretty. Oh, hello. Black and white outfits are cute. I didn't know they were doing this. Okay. Cards. Ooh. I like the color palettes that each room has. I didn't expect this. Okay, get that beat drop though. This is dope. Okay. Oh. That's cute. I see inspiration from various music videos, which could just be the same director. Like a little bit of A Pink's I'm So Sick. A little bit. What's that one? I can't think of it. Goo Goo Dolls Boots, that's what it is. Which it could just be the same directors and stuff. The flip, the mirror effect was cool. It's cute, like a good amount of cuteness, with a good amount of the edginess and that concept. It plays off like a Alice in Wonderland concept. Which kind of makes sense for different sets and stuff. Ooh, that was cool. The silhouettes. Oh, and it just ends like that. Oh no, what's happening? It has an Alice in Wonderland feel to it, which is really cool. That's a very popular, common concept to find in everything I react to. If it's whimsical or something like this, it sort of plays off it, but it's always done in a really unique way that I think is really cool. I really liked how they did it here. It was it felt modern, very just fresh and contemporary, and edgy in like a different kind of way than they normally see like Alice in Wonderland concepts. So it was really cool. I really liked the sound. At first, like beat drop was like sick. It was pretty cool and stuff. Didn't expect that. I did not expect like any of this and stuff. So yeah, the choreography looked pretty good, and the sets were really, really cool, and the lighting, and although they're fun colors and stuff, and the song was dope. They just like, it had like the perfect amount of cuteness in it, but with the like edginess that they're trying to do and stuff. And it was overall really, really good. I really enjoyed it. It was a dope song, really cool music video, great choreography, little play with the Alice in Wonderland concepts. So yeah, go to put your thoughts in the comments down below. Chat about nature's Oopsie My Bad. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or in the description down below, or at the end screen, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Your party favor. Drinking.